Introducing the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.